In this video, I'll show you how to turn on or off the AI form fill assistance feature available within Power Apps. Now, AI form fill assistance basically allows a user to utilize artificial intelligence to generate form field suggestions for model driven app. Now, there are three different features. One is automatic suggestions provided by the system. We have smart paste and file suggestions. With that, anything within your clipboard gets copied into the relevant fields within the model driven app using artificial intelligence. And also, there's a form fill assist toolbar. So, I'll go through each and every feature and then I'll show you how this works when you turn this on or off within a specific setting. Now, as you see in the screen over here, now we have this feature drop files or smart paste for Copilot to make suggestion. Now this is a form fill assist toolbar. So basically, if you turn this on, you will be seeing this particular section within your model driven app. Now this is a simple model driven app. Now form fill assist toolbar, if it is turned on, you will be able to see this. If you turn it off, then you will not be able to see this particular section. Now, the second one is the smart paste and file suggestions production ready preview. So this one is basically you'll see this icon. If you click on it, anything which is in your clipboard will get automatically paste in a specific area. So take for example, if you have a bit of text and if you have copied that text and if the text contains some information either related to name, type or range or relevant to your specific model driven app, it will paste it accordingly with the help of AI. Then we have automatic suggestions. So this particular section, suggestions based on your recent activities. So take for example, if you're filling out this form, you have filled like three or four different entries, and now if you're coming to the say fifth item, and the moment you start clicking on new and then if you click on suggestions based on your recent activity, then you will be presented with a possible items to fill. Okay, so these all things can be turned on or off. Now I'll show you in action where it all lies. So let me open the browser. Yeah, so let me go into the model driven app first, and at the same time I'll go into the Power Platform Admin Center. So to give you a context, I have this model driven app named as Airlines. Now, as you see over here, it is basically a list of airlines across the world. Now we have this aircraft models and destination cities and flying class. So these are like different uh, tables. Now, if I click on new, as you see over here, I don't see any information. Okay, so the AI form fill assistance related details I'm not able to see over here. But as you see over here, I can see show form fill assist. Now, if I click on show form fill assist, suggestions based on your recent activity will be shown. Now, why this field is enabled? Because in Power Platform Admin Center, like if I navigate to my specific environment, so I'll navigate to Girish Dev, go to settings, features, under product features, and if I just scroll down here, you will see AI form fill assistant. So let me do one thing. Let me split the screen and show you one by one. So you can see over here, automatic suggestions is on, and that's why I was able to see this particular bar. So let me turn this off. So automatic suggestions is currently off, and I'll click on save. Now, the moment I save this setting, let me refresh this. And now, as you see over here, so let me turn off all these features. So automatic suggestion is off, smart paste and file suggestions is off, form fill assist toolbar is off. So I've just turned off all these three that settings and I'm saving it. So now when this form loads, you don't see any information over here. So let's turn one by one. So form fill assist toolbar. Now form fill assist toolbar, if I turn this on, I should be able to see the form fill assist toolbar section which was available over here. So let me do a hard refresh. And now what I'm going to do, I'll show you another feature, smart paste and file suggestion production ready preview. I'll turn this on as well. Okay, so I'll click on save and I'll do a hard refresh. So as you see over here, I can see the form fill assist toolbar. So hide form fill assist. If I just click on this show form fill assist, it will show that bar and you will see this smart paste and file suggestion. So these feature set is turned on because of this. So I have an option to drop a file or smart paste for Copilot to make a suggestion. So I can either upload or uh, click on this so that it can pick up from the smart paste. Now how this works is the smart paste is take for example if I have a list of say data. Okay, so I have this list of data. So Boeing 787 Dreamliner wide body long range. So take for example if I copy this. Okay, so let me copy this. Now this is in my clipboard. Now if I click on smart paste, what it will try to do, it will try to take that information and then try to show me that, hey, this is what I think should be in the name, this is in the type, and this is in the range. Now remember, type and range are the choice option. Now if you are okay with AI selected choice, then you can click on tick and then it will persist the information. Also, it has also provided you information that AI generated content may be incorrect, but in this case, it has uh, done a very good job. So I can even remove the clipboard data. So I click on here, I can remove the clipboard data. Now, if I copy the entire thing, it will pick up the first item. So in this case, if I just copy the whole bunch of information from here and I'll just paste it, then it will pick up say Boeing 777 wide body long range. Okay, so it just picks up one row. So you need to be like say careful that if there's no way through which within a single form you can upload multiple record set. Then we have automatic suggestions. So let me clear this clipboard data. Yeah, then we have automatic suggestions. Now automatic suggestions is off. Okay, now what happens over here is like if I turn this on, click on save, and let me go back to the aircraft model. Now as you see over here, you see this information looking for suggestions. So it will start looking out for suggestions depending on what you have been doing while filling out this similar form, and then on basis of that it will suggest the value on name, type, and range. So as you see over here, if you want to turn off all this functionality, you have an option. You can just go and idle individually turn off automatic suggestions, or individually turn off smart paste and file suggestions, or individually turn off form fill assist toolbar, and then all the AI related features related to form fill assistance will be disabled. So at the end, what I'm going to do, I will just turn off all the features so that if I don't want to see anything which was there at the start, uh, like all the feature were turned off. So I click on aircraft model and click on new, and now there is no suggestions, no smart paste, no file upload options, and no form file assist toolbar. So this is how you basically use the AI form fill assistance settings within Power Platform environment settings to turn on and off the selective AI related features. So that's it, folks. Thanks for watching.